Hi guys, this is like a lot of ice in our backyard. So this is pretty cool, you know, like as soon as I touch it, this is literally almost crystal clear. I have candle skit time.
So since we're on quarantine, you gotta make your own fun.
Yeah.
So we decided to go outside and do a walk today. And he found a puddle. And we didn't know if it was water or ice. So he decided to jump on it and it was ice. And now it's icy, watery mush.
And this is really like delicate. So once you drop it, it's like...
What are some things we've done to stay busy while we were stuck inside? What are some things we've done?
Play games.
Got all your homeschooling work done. We made a whole plan. Video games. Cooked. Played a whole bunch of toys with stuff that we've never had before. Because now we have to.
And this is a big show. I'm going to just sit
And
again
we're
for
in,
like a second.
We're in New York. Comment down below where you guys are and what you guys have done to stay busy during this crazy time.
Thank God I have mud boots. I want to be stepping in this. This is a big shot.
Want to continue our little walk?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Use your hands all wet. Yeah, stole one of my gloves.
Yeah, sadly. And it broke. Me. That's how you have to be really delicate because this is thin. Like unless like really, you can touch it. Like when you hit like with one, then it probably won't like this somewhere there.
Sad is all this trash on the side of the road. People
Not
just throw it.
Like Dunkin' Donuts have a road.
Yeah, when all the snow melts and then you see everything, all the trash and everything.
Oh, sugars.
There's some pretty horses.
Because I can't have peanuts.
Yeah. They'll turn around and walk back. Say hi to the horsies.
Hi, horsey.
Turn around and walk back. And we go in and we gotta get all showered from being outside and disinfected and cleaned.
So you don't get the corona?
So we don't get this. Gotta stay healthy. Especially since, you know, you have asthma and stuff, you want to be more apt to stay healthy because you don't want to get sick. We're already out of school so long, we gotta find things to do. Shadows. Shadow people. And we made up this game, what, a long time ago when you were little? Do you remember what it was called?
Yeah, Shadow Stompers.
Shadow Stompers. We have to block our shadows from being stomped on. My hand is frozen. Oh no! I'm freezing, people. It looks nice out today. It was not nice out. It was not nice. You are a ninja star. Oh. I'm gonna go in and, I don't know, we have a bunch of board games we got for Christmas we could play.
Oh my God.
Might do some more Chromebook. This little Minecraft set he made up. He was making something. I don't know. He did.
Bye. Bye, guys.